Looking into stem cell therapy? Viezec makes the process simple, safe, and supportive every step of the way. Here's how to apply in just a few key steps. Start with an online session with Viezec's expert medical advisors. Discuss your condition, ask questions, and explore if stem cell therapy is right for you. Next, a comprehensive health assessment is done. Your records are reviewed by specialists to confirm if you're a suitable candidate. Based on your health profile, a personalized treatment plan is created. You'll know the type of stem cells, treatment method, and expected outcomes. You'll also receive a free consultation with a regenerative medicine expert to ensure clarity and confidence before moving forward. Once you're ready, Viezec helps you prepare for your treatment, from documents and travel to pre-treatment instructions. Finally, all arrangements are confirmed so your journey is stress-free and focused on healing. Viezec is with you every step of the way, making advanced stem cell therapy safe, personalized, and accessible.